What's up everyone? Welcome back. Happy New Year. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in a while. I had an amazing break. Hope you had a phenomenal New Year. I wanted to start off this year with kind of like a health journey fitness video. I've been getting a ton of questions on how I've been keeping things tight and right. I wanted to put together a video that I kind of showed you guys what I eat, how I track what I eat. I've been saying this for the last probably year, and I've definitely been working out consistently, but I haven't been eating that well. So I'll show you guys what my plan is for the year. Basically, I really want to turn it up a notch on my health journey and really see like what my body is capable of. This is something I've been working on for a while, obviously, but I just need to like really hone in, just get a little bit more of a routine, like a healthy lifestyle eating routine. Really, that's really like where the issue is. So I'm excited. We're gonna do some meal prepping today. I'm gonna show you guys basically like what my plan is for the next 30 days, and I might continue it. This is definitely something I want to turn into like a lifestyle, which I've kind of already done. I'm just getting a little bit stricter about it basically. So yeah, today's video is sponsored by LifeSum. I'm so excited to show you guys this app. This is what I've been using to track all my food. So if you're not familiar with LifeSum, it's basically a health and wellness app that helps you track all your food, helps assist you in a better, healthier lifestyle basically. You can plug in all your food. It does have a scanner, so you can scan your food and track everything you're eating. I use the premium feature, which they are giving me a discount on. It's 50% off for the month of January, so definitely take advantage of that. I use the premium version of the app, and it allows you to track all your macros, and it gives you diet plans, recipes. You can save your meals, which I love to do because it makes it super easy to just plug everything in, especially when I'm trying to get back on track. Having all the meals saved for me is super easy, so I can just like quickly add them every day. But I love the app because it's really just taught me portion control, portion sizes, and I honestly would have no idea about what I'm really eating and fueling my body with if it weren't for the LifeSum app. And kind of like the nutritional aspect of the app is what I love the most. If you have fitness goals, specific fitness goals that you want to achieve, especially for the new year, definitely download this app, you guys. It will help you tremendously in tracking your food and figuring out how much to eat on a daily basis, and just educating yourself on nutrition in general. So like I mentioned, there is a 50% off discount code. I will leave that in the description box for you guys to check out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you guys with me to the grocery store. We're gonna pick up some foods, and then we're gonna come back and do a little meal prep. I love meal prepping. I do really well without meal prepping, but I swear you will not make a mistake when you meal prep. When everything is ready for you and you know exactly what you're gonna eat that day, it just makes it so much easier for yourself. So let's go ahead and head to the store. Okay guys, home now. Remind me to keep ordering my groceries online because that was a lot. Like having to walk with your groceries, I forgot. I honestly don't go to the grocery store that often. I usually just order them online because it's so convenient. Definitely not gonna be doing that too often, but it was nice. And it's gorgeous outside. It's been raining here in LA for like 2 weeks, it feels like. So it was a really great day to just go outside and get a good walk in. Anyway, back from the grocery store, I wanted to do a quick haul. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, rapid fire haul. Eggs, of course, pomegranate seeds, strawberries, turkey sausage, tomatoes, favorite Halo Top ice cream, the cookie dough one, so good. Okay, we got mixed greens for salads. My favorite dessert is freezing grapes, and they taste like delicious popsicles, so good. Love them for like a healthier like dessert snack. Brussels sprouts, zucchini and yellow squash, pears, red onion. I also got some bath bombs. And then I also picked up from Amazon, I got some Nespresso pods. Love these for the morning with oat milk, so delicious. Energy drinks that are for like their pre-workout instead of, you know, like the powdered pre-workout. This is just grab and go. So I'm looking forward to trying this. They look delicious. guys, I'm going to make a super easy breakfast, which is just scrambled eggs and sausage with a bit of avocado. But as promised, I'm going to show you guys everything I make. Coffee as well. Love these. I'm super sad I got the wrong insert. I like the espresso, like the shots. This is like the medium. I don't even know, honestly. Milazio? I don't know. But they taste good still, so. Breakfast is complete, super clean again, healthy. This will be really filling, healthy fats, some fruit on the side. Very excited, starving. Am I the only one who wakes up starving every morning? Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy this and I'll show you guys lunch next. Okay, so gonna have a snack. This is one of my favorite snacks, pumpkin seeds. I couldn't find like the seed in the shell one, so these will have to do. I just roast them in the oven for a few minutes and with a little olive oil and salt. They're so good and they take the place of like chips, but I'm gonna use the app obviously to put in a snack. Gonna go to the gym, so let's see what all the hype is about. I don't love the flavor. I don't hate the flavor. But I don't love it. But I still like, I'm gonna drink them and I think that they're good. I just will choose a different flavor next time, but other than that, they taste pretty good. I hope this gives me energy. I mean, it is an energy drink, but I hope it like gives me pre-workout energy, you know? Okay, I'm gonna make my favorite salad. I've shown you this before. This one's a little bit different, but the only reason I'm showing you it again is because it's really what I eat every day. It's like my pre-workout salad. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's literally just mixed greens. I cut up a pear, slice a pear. Instead of dried cranberries, today I'm gonna use pomegranates. And then I actually am roasting the walnuts, which I read online makes such a difference in your salads if you actually roast them before you put them on. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna add some feta cheese and top it with balsamic. I'm also gonna add in a bit of honey in the balsamic dressing just to make it like a little bit sweeter. But I love this salad, it's so good. Before a workout, it gives you energy. Fills you up. It's just so good and refreshing, especially on a like warmer sunny day like it is today here in LA. So yeah, I'm gonna make this. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. To do some meal prepping, I have these really nice glass containers. I'll make sure I leave them linked down below. I love these for meal prepping. They're chic, but most importantly, they're oven friendly. So you can heat your meals up right in the container, right into the oven. I like to use the oven much more than the microwave. So yeah, pro tip. So I'm just gonna grab these. I usually only meal prep for 3 days. I have for my super easy meal prep, I'm just gonna do pre-cooked chicken. I don't like to deal with raw meat very often. So yeah, yeah, I buy the pre-cooked kind. It makes it so easy to just throw it in the oven or on the stove to heat it up. Super easy. Then I'm gonna use rice as my carb in my dinner meal this week. I usually only prep for 3 days just because I don't like my veggies to get like soggy or anything like that. So when I have veggies here, I found some extra asparagus. I need to get rid of it. So I'm just gonna throw that in. It's like a little veggie bake in the oven. I'm gonna chop these up with it. Sprinkle some olive oil, salt, all of that, you know, pretty self-explanatory. And then I'll just place the meals in here for the next 3 days. Super easy, delicious, and clean. These little baggies to wash my rice in. These are actually like produce bags that you are supposed to take to the store instead of getting the plastic. But I love to use them for washing my rice. It's just so convenient. How my meal prep turned out. The veggies look delish. I'll eat it right from the container like this, and I usually put like obviously butter and salt. Like spicy mayo is delicious on this. Yeah, sometimes I'll like put the chicken in more of like a sesame sauce and then do like soy sauce all over it, so it's more of like a stir fry. You can do so many different flavors just with a couple different foods. So yeah, that's what my dinner will be for the next 3 days, and then next I'll show you guys a really yummy dessert. I'm gonna make a banana dessert, which is literally just frozen bananas blended into like kind of like an ice cream, and then I usually just top it with almond butter, coconut flakes. If you have them, usually people don't have these, but I have them for my like acai bowls, which I haven't made in a long time. And then I'm just gonna top it with walnuts, and it's so good. It's like sweet and crunchy. It's like an acai bowl except with banana. It's very good if you like bananas. So yeah, this is not the banana we're actually gonna use. I highly recommend taking your like bananas that look like this before they go bad, obviously. Just freeze them, kind of like you're gonna make banana bread. So yeah, you're going to freeze your bananas. So we're gonna blend those up and then top it with our toppings. That's it. Okay guys, this is dessert. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like applesauce. I ended up cutting out some strawberries just to like make it prettier, but yeah, tastes delicious. A lot healthier than a lot of like ice cream, stuff like that. So that's dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the LifeSum app. I'm getting ready to track my dessert right now, but make sure you check out the app, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.